Logarithmic equations, question 33. Solve log 3 of 9 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals to 3 to the power of log 9, 4. Now in this equation what we can do is, here the base is 3, but this number is 9, which could be written as 3 square, correct? Now here it is 3 and this is 9, so I could write 3 as 9 square root, correct? So I will transform these two numbers and rewrite this equation. And therefore, I will write now this equation as log of 3. And instead of 9, I am writing 3 square. So 3 square to the power of 2x minus 3. So that is my left side. And on the right, instead of 3, I am going to write this as 9 square root, correct? So that means 9 to the power of half, correct? To the power of whatever is given to us, which is log of 9, 4, correct? So that is how we transform the equation. Now here log 3 of 3, and this is 2 times that. So the left side now is equals to 2 times 2x minus 3. And the right side is equals to, so we can take half as 4 to the power of half, right? So it is equals to square root of 4, correct? I can write square root of 4. Square root of 4. Now, so we can now, square root of 4 can be written as plus or minus 2. So we'll take only plus into consideration for this particular equation, right? Since the domain will not allow the negative value. Now, or we can solve for both and then check our answers. That is another option, correct? So we can do that also. When we write square root of 4, we can always write plus and minus 2 and then check our domain, right? So that is another way of doing it, right? So we'll write this as plus and minus 2, correct? So in that case, we'll get two different scenarios and then we'll solve for both. So one equation gives when 2 times 2x minus 3 is equals to plus 2, and the other one is 2 times 2x minus 3 equals to minus 2, right? Now if we solve this, 2 and 2 gives us 1, so we get 2x minus 3 equals to 1, or 2x equals to 4, and x is equals to 2. Now here if we solve it, we get, this is equals to minus, so it is equals to minus 2, yeah, equals to minus 2. So this is 2x minus 3 equals to minus 1, and so it is 2x equals to, when I take on this side, you get 2, and x is equals to 1, correct? Now we will check these two answers, correct? So if I plug in 1 here, then this becomes negative. It could work, right? So both seems to be the right answer for us. So that's correct. So let's check these answers. So we got two different answers for us, and let's check them. So if I write 2 here, then I get 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, right? So on the left side, if I'm using this equation, and we are checking our answers, right? So first check we are trying to do with x equals to 2. Now, if I write x equals to 2 here on the left side and right side is 3 to the power of that. So we could use which one? Well, that reduces to square root of 4. So we have to get left side as square root of 4, because that is the right side, right? So we get log 3 of 9 to the power of, if I write 2 here, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 1, so just 9. So that gives me log 3 of 3 square, which is equals to 2, which is plus 2, that's correct. Now if I write x equals to 1, here, then I get log of 3, 9 to the power of minus minus 1, which is 1 over 2. So which is log of 3 to the power of minus 2, and that gives me equals to minus 2. So that gives me, of course, yeah, that was minus 2. And so both seems to be the right answer. So we get the answer as plus 2 and minus 2.